Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best rain barrel that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best rain barrel reviews and ratings. Modern barrels usually have a maximum capacity of between 50 and 80 gallons, and they feature a spigot for filling water jugs or cans. Most can also be connected to a soaker hose. Number 5 Upcycle Rain Barrel. Users have praised its design, easy assembly, and quality construction. This model measures 38 by 23 by 23 inches and weighs a mere 23 pounds. Main features: made from recycled plastic. A single downspout. Holds 55 gallons of rainwater. Number 4 Good Ideas RW40 Rain Barrel. It has a 40-gallon capacity and features an attractive faux oak finish that will blend seamlessly with your existing landscape. It has a plastic mesh screen across the top of the barrel. Main features: brass-plated spigot works. Flat back design. Rotationally molded to prevent splitting. Number 3 EnviroWorld Corporation EWC10 Rain Barrel. It has a 55-gallon rainwater capacity. It is made from a mixture of injection molded plastic and high-density polyethylene that is designed to prevent aging. Main features: has a 55-gallon capacity. Design does not require the separate dual overflow valves allow it. Number 2 Akla Designs RBO3. It is specifically designed to help homeowners save money on their household water bills by conserving rainwater. It has a maximum capacity of 54 gallons, and this model weighs only 18 pounds. Main features: generously sized. Built-in 4-foot hose with thumb valve. Foolproof linking kit. Number 1 RTS Home Accents Rain Barrel. It is made from injection molded plastic that is treated to resist rot, fading, and insect infestation. It can be linked to other rain barrels to increase storage capacity, and a durable aluminum screen keeps yard debris. Main features: authentic flat back design. Brass spigot shutoff valve. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.